so today I'm going to be unboxing a new subscription with you guys. This is called My Dot Boxx. Here we go. It's called My Dot Boxx. It's a monthly period subscription box and a lifestyle box in one. I have no idea what is inside of this box, but I can tell you that when I signed up for the subscription, I was sent to over to go fill out a profile. On my profile, they asked me when I wanted to receive my box, if I like pads, if I like tampons, and then they had a couple more questions on there, like some lifestyle questions and stuff. I can't remember everything, but I can tell you that this box is $34.99 a month plus $5 shipping. This is the premium box. There is a cheaper alternative. I don't remember the pricing on that one, but with all of that said, let us see what is inside of this box. Oh my gosh, I see snacks. We're off to a great start. Okay, so it says, hey girl, hey. On the back of this card, it says, January is all about new beginnings. We hope the enclosed goodies encourage you to embrace your new beginnings and have a wonderful start to your 2019. That is such a nice box, or such a nice note, but so far this is such, like, I'm impressed with all of the snacks. Honestly, I'm a foodie. Like, of course I'm gonna notice the snacks first. Okay, so here we have somebody who is having a grand time laying in bed. I wish I was too. Your adult box, January 2019. Theme is New Year, say me, with a little tweaking. That is so nice. Okay, so it says this month's box was curated a little different. That means behind the contents inside are to encourage you to toss the resolutions and instead embrace small habits and obtainable goals. I love that so much. Oh my god, that can easily become a part of your daily routine. Freaking yes. Thank you so much. Praise. Okay, so we have that, and then here's this little pamphlet, and it says self-care and you, and then it has like, oh, it has self-care ideas for the mind, self-care ideas for the soul, and for the body. This, okay, so far I'm freaking preaching. Like, I'm shocked because I have yet to run across a box that is like, that embraces the same type of mindset that I have. So with that said, let's keep going because honestly the purple snakes are really fun, but I'm gonna try and push them aside so I can show you guys what we got going on here. Okay, so push to the side. Here's what the rest of the box looks like. This is huge. Oh my god, I am so shocked right now. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm not gonna pull out the snacks first because this caught my attention first. So this says, be kind to others for no reason. Everyone can appreciate acts of kindness. Research shows that being kind to others can actually make us genuinely happy in a number of ways and activate an area of the brain called striatum. My pronunciation skills suck. Striatum, also known as warm glow, creates the same thrills eating a delicious meal for the first time or as powerful as an addictive drug. This deck of good deeds gives you 30 ideas to make your environment a warm and fuzzy place. I'm so excited. Okay, so it's wrapped in plastic, but it has like a how to use these cards. And then, oh no, I ripped it open. That was not my intention, but okay. Offer to run errands for someone who's overwhelmed by life or shut in with illness. Yes. Get to know someone you dislike by asking him or her to lunch. Okay. Anonymously leave flowers on someone's doorstep. Okay, these are so positive and that is so fun. Okay, so interesting. This is a really interesting idea. Pretty pumped about that. Sad I broke the cards. But the next thing that I'm pulling out of here is this giant shaky thing. Take your vitamins, Missy. Okay, we're not all kale and veggie smoothie kind gals. For those of us that are, and for those of us who aren't there, there's this thing called multivitamins. Consume these gummies to give your immune system a healthy boost. They also feature probiotics for digestive health and B vitamins to provide extra energy to help you through your day. You can also consume these to support your hair, skin, and nail health. We've included a 45-day supply to get you started. Oh my god. Okay, if only I was good. I literally have a multivitamin and I haven't taken it in months. I'm so bad when it comes to taking any sort of medication. Literally the worst person ever at it. Okay, so I'm so excited. These are Ollie, the perfect women's multitasking vitamins, A, C, D, E, B's, biotin, and folic acid. Yes, I don't know if I can open it. I have weak hands. Okay, so, oh, they smell very vitamin-y. They remind me of the Flintstone powdered multivitamins. Did any of you ever consume those as a child? Because I certainly did. And that's what these remind me of. Okay, I guess I'll get into the snacks now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's just open this up. There's no note or anything on here. we've got, oh my God, there's like so much in here. I'm shocked. Okay, so there's, okay, sorry, I'm so pumped right now. I'm like dropping things. Okay, so this, it's a Chua Chocolatier Spicy Maya mini chocolate bar. And then there's one in the back that's different. And then there's like a bunch of kisses in here. So, okay, so we have some chocolate for our snack. But wait, there's more because, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. M&M's snack mix. This is so fun. Okay, so this is sweet and salty, which honestly, yes, amen, thank you. There's this, that's it, 1 apple and 20 blueberries in this fruit bar. So it's not just chocolate, there's also like a fruit bar, which is fun. There's this Snack Wells with cream sandwich cookies. Ooh, that's super fun. And then there's also this Angie's Boom Chicka popcorn, which if you have never had is absolutely amazing. Okay, so I really like how everything is kind of like packed and like neat and organized, because I feel like because of that, they were able to fit so much inside of this box. Because hold on guys, there's still so much more inside of this box. Oh my God. Okay, so here is the like feminine product section of the bag. So it says, never fear, your essentials are here per your survey. So this is part of the survey that I filled out before I got the subscription. Here's what inside. Now, for me personally, I have a very severe latex allergy, and there's only one brand of pads that I use, and it's always never had a problem with them. So it was really, really nice that they gave me the option to pick out what brand of pads that I wanted to receive. I have never, ever, ever run into another period subscription box that has ever given me that option. So because I'm somebody with a latex allergy, it is so important for me to like make sure that I'm on top of that so I don't give myself a reaction. So that alone made this subscription box stand out from all of the other period subscription boxes that I have ever tried. So it gives you the option to choose between 3 and 12 pads a month. And then also asks what kind of absorbency you want. I personally chose ultra thin, and please excuse all the background noise. We're having housework done. It's kind of really noisy and I'm really sorry about that. And then it says preference. It says regular, super long, long, super, extra heavy. And it also gave you the option for what kind of tampons you wanted and the brand and everything like that. And then it says your chosen extras, if applicable to your box. You have the choice to pick between liners, feminine wipes, disposable heating pad, pain relievers, and tea. I personally chose feminine wipes because they're so handy to have around. Like, I always run into this situation where like my hands, like, I mean, okay, I will be 100% honest. I use them more in my hands than I do my lady bits. I don't know, maybe I'm not supposed to, but so I have 4 Summer's Eve wipes. And then in this bag, I received 10 Always Ultra Thin pads and then 6 Tampax Pearl tampons. I'm not really a tampon girl, which is totally okay. I'm more of a pad girl, but I mean, it's amazing. I'm so happy. Like, it made me feel included as somebody with a latex allergy, and that's not something that I always feel when it comes to period boxes. I can't wait to see what's inside of here because I think I see socks. Okay, so it says schedule dedicated me time weekly. No more excuses. Okay, me time. Many of us want it, but just don't know how to get it. Spending time alone provides the opportunity to reconnect with ourselves as individuals. Truth is, you'll be a better parent, spouse, friend, or partner if you're able to get it away and take an occasional break. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so there's a little bit more writing, but I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up because I am super duper pumped. I see socks and I'm like ready for it. Okay, I'm just gonna pull everything outside of this box. So, oh my gosh, we have a pair of socks. I'm so happy about this. It says, okay, wait, they have words on the bottom too. If it requires pants or a bra, it's not happening today. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. And these are actually really soft, which I was not expecting. I always thought like the type of socks with like printing on it would feel rough, but these are actually really soft. And there's this little note here. It says a few me time tips, and it's mom tips. Oh my gosh, look at this. What the heck? Oh my gosh, I am blown away right now. Like, I honestly was not expecting this box to be this good, but here we are. And okay, prescription strength relaxation. Oh my gosh, it's a chill pill bath bomb. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I am so genuinely excited right now. Like, okay, wait, there is still more inside of here. Okay, so we have 2 more things in here, and then that's the end of this box. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead with the flat thing. This says, learn to let stuff go. How many times have you found yourself going on and on and on about the same thing? Me, all the time. So I'm just going to assume this is like a little notepad. It says blah, blah, blah. Moan, groan, then move on. Sometimes life can really, really suck. Wait, sorry, I skipped a line. Use this notepad to bad word about it, then move on because we have better things to do. Done. Now rip this off, ball it up, and trash it. Gotta move on, girl. And the last thing that I received is a bracelet. And I only know that because I started reading the note on here. So it says, learn to adapt and adjust. And then it has like a little thing. It says, wear this adjustable bracelet as a reminder that you may need to bend to the situation at hand, but never break. It says, meaningful facts about the maker. Your bracelet was handmade by 77-year-old Angie's Milner. Miss Ange loves to put her love of jewelry making on hold to be a caretaker to her aging parents and a homemaker to her husband of 52 years and their 6 children. She is a 2-time breast cancer survivor and has lost 2 daughters to cervical cancer. Right when she could catch her breath and rekindled her love for jewelry making, she was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease. We met Miss Ange in August in a small South Carolina boutique hand-making these bracelets with her fragile, unsteady hands. We were so intrigued by her story, we wanted to include them in a future box. We told her to take her sweet time and simply ship them when she could. They arrived on New Year's Eve and timing couldn't be more perfect. We included them this month because they are a testament to our story and many of our stories. No bracelet is perfect, but neither are we. The sweat and perseverance put into each one solidifies that no matter what you've been going through or where you're headed, bend but don't break. And please just don't give up. This is gonna make me cry. Oh my gosh. If I was like legit on my period right now, I know I would be crying. This, oh my God. Okay, wait. Oh my God. Okay, so the box, like we just got like a little plain heart in the middle. This is so meaningful. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I'm legit gonna cry. Oh my God. That is so amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. The story behind this bracelet really adds so much to it. Like, I mean, like, I'm psyched about the bracelet because like I'm rose gold jewelry is kind of growing on me, but that story just made like, wow. Okay, so with the like, whew, let's take a second, collect our emotions. So we have a rose gold knot bracelet, and then we have a little charm, and it has A, and my name is Elizabeth. The first letter of my name is an A. So that's so amazing that I received it's like a personal charm bracelet. Oh my gosh. So that is everything that I received in my January dot box. And I'm honestly blown away right now. First of all, I love all of the personal touches that came in this box. I love how I was able to choose a brand that was like accessible for me. It's something that I wasn't allergic to. So that was so amazing. Second of all, I loved how organized everything was. And I feel like we got so much in this box. I got snacks. I got a notepad. This bracelet means so much to me. Like, oh, like I'm like shook about it. Like, I received like feminine care, I received snacks, I received some self-care stuff. Everything in here had its own cute little personal touch. I love how organized the box was. I love how everything had a note. The box felt like there was so much, it didn't feel like it because like they were lying to me. They literally put so much time and effort into making this box. I am so freaking blown away right now. It's just been so long since I've seen a box this good and like this worth the money. Oh my gosh, and I have never run into a period subscription box this outstanding. This is by far worth the $34.99 a month plus. It's basically $39.99 a month because it's got $5 shipping. So it's a $40 a month subscription box. And I was really able to tailor it to my specific needs and when I specifically need it. I don't know, I am so shocked about this box, and you can definitely bet that I'm so in love with it. I'm so obsessed. I'm so flabbergasted. I was not prepared for this at all. What did you guys think of my January dot box? What was your favorite piece? Did you have anything in here that you were like, yes? Or did you have anything in here that where you're like, no with? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.